नमस्ते दोस्तों, आज 28 फरवरी है यानी नेशनल साइंस डे और आज हम आए हैं श्री चैतन्य स्कूल गौर सिटी नोएडा के शानदार साइंस एक्सपो में। यहाँ का माहौल तो देखिए, छोटे छोटे वैज्ञानिकों ने अपनी इनोवेशन से कमाल कर दिया है।
First of all, our coming to first project, this is nothing but a mechanical hand. Now, here we show like how does it really works. Now, this mechanical hand uses a contraption, and how does if I have nerves, how does a nerve really works, and how makes it contract. Making an arm which is longest to make, but still a really great machine. Now, coming to the second project, which is an ice cream. Now, well, it's not a cooking competition, but still we try to mix ice cream without a refrigerator in the hot summer. Now, when we mix salt with the ice, it decreases the temperature perpendicularly and significantly more. Now, we have same contraption to make the ice cream without a refrigerator coming outside. Now, the taste is also very really good and it can taste creamy flavor. Now, coming to our third project, which is now when you take a base like baking soda plus water, you can write anything, and mixing it with a turmeric or ethyl, which is an indicator, we can make something invisible text to look like easily. This same thing is used in movie Dhurandhar and can also be used in currencies to hide special codes or in office work to hide special information. Now, coming to
स्कूल में श्री चैतन्य टेक्निकल स्कूल में बच्चे भी पढ़ते हैं और आज का ये लोग का एक्टिविटी बहुत ही अच्छा है, जो साइंस प्रोजेक्ट पे काम करते हैं और स्कूल का मतलब गाइडेंस भी अच्छी है और बहुत अच्छे बच्चे भी कर रहे हैं। आई होप कि आगे भी अच्छा करें। थैंक यू सो मच।
And students have beautifully made so many beautiful projects with they have clearly cleared the parents' doubts. Their theory is really cleared. They try their best to represent each and everything in their projects, and some of them are working, some of them are not working, but we really appreciate the efforts of the students as well as parents and teachers. So they all are really working hard in this hot temperature. They all are standing since morning, so we really appreciate the efforts of parents, students especially. So thank you.
I have making a project on maglev train. It is a project in which the train moves on magnet. Due to the repulsion of magnet, it is not touching the track, it is moving in air. And this technology is introduced in Japan and China till now and not introduced in India till now.
Each and every, this is a science expo and related to our, like whatever they have learned in the school, they have exhibited here, starting from the WIS club to their own curriculum, from their own curriculum also, right? They did it with great zeal and they also explained the things to the parents, and really it was a great show for our children. Thank you. We are wishing, and our parents, we have got benevolent parents, so they have cooperated a lot, and really I'm thankful to the parents and also to my beloved students.
लुई पास्चर ने सही कहा था, ज्ञान पूरी मानवता के लिए है और यहाँ के छात्र इसे सच कर रहे हैं। चाहे वो फिजिक्स के लॉस हो या केमिस्ट्री के जादुई एक्सपेरिमेंट्स, यहाँ हर कोने में कुछ नया सीखने को मिल रहा है। यहाँ रोबोटिक्स से लेकर एनवायरमेंटल साइंस तक के ढेरों मॉडल्स लगे हैं। बच्चे न सिर्फ मॉडल्स दिखा रहे हैं, बल्कि उनके पीछे की साइंस को बहुत ही सरलता से समझा भी रहे हैं। स्कूल का टेक्नो करिकुलम वाकई छात्रों को IIT JEE और नीट जैसे कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए अभी से तैयार कर रहा है। विज्ञान सिर्फ किताबों में नहीं, बल्कि हमारे चारों ओर है। आज के इस एक्सपो ने ये साबित कर दिया कि अगर सही मार्गदर्शन मिले तो हमारे बच्चे दुनिया बदल सकते हैं।
काफी अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है। बॉयज आर पुटिंग ऑल देयर एफर्ट्स, दे आर एक्सप्लेनिंग थिंग्स इन अ वेरी प्रोफेशनल मैनर, सो इट्स लाइक टू मच, not even expected from them to present things in such a professional manner. It was like very nice presentation from them.
And our team is from class 8, Techno 1 and Techno 2 combined. So sir, this is our project. It is based on Pascal's law of liquid viscosity. So sir, what happens is this, it states that if a fluid is between two cylindrical bodies like this, and the piston of one of the bodies is pushed like this. It is enough to pressurize. It pressurizes the liquid inside, and it is enough to make the next syringe, the piston of the syringe to move with the same amount of force as applied to the first one. And so this type of simple liquid viscosity projects are used in vast countries and vast fields. We can use them. This is like the first one is here. This is a JCB working model. It uses the syringes to
आपको
contract
कौन सा
and
प्रोजेक्ट सबसे
repel
अच्छा लगा?
to make the,
भविष्य के इन
to make
वैज्ञानिकों
the
के लिए एक
syringes
लाइक
to
तो
make the
बनता है।
body of the
सब्सक्राइब करें और
JCB
देखें
and
कैसे
make
भारत
it
का भविष्य
work.
तैयार हो रहा
And the
है।
second one is our
जय
hydraulic
विज्ञान।
lift. It is also based on Pascal's law, and if we connect this, and it will be pushed with the same amount of force, and it is here.